Hi everybody, my name is Robert Golden from Golden Plumbing. I'd like to show you guys how to inspect if you have a plumbing leak on your unit. My customers here aren't sure if they have a leak, but I'm going to show you guys how to check. Step 1, make sure all your water is completely off in the household. Step 2, you want to walk outside your front yard and locate your water meter box, which is usually found in a cement box like this. We're going to remove the lid, and in here you're going to see a water meter gauge. Now, as you see on this gauge, there's a blue indicator right here that my screwdriver is pointing at. As you notice, it's spinning. This part of the meter should not spin at all if you do not have the water on in your house. This is indicating we have a major leak. If you find this and need any assistance, please call Golden Plumbing for any help or questions. We'd like to pass these tips from our families to yours.